Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy chicken stew and some drop-in dumplings. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So let's get started. I'm starting off with my chicken pieces. I've just washed them, and then I've just put in a little bit of water in a saucepan, and then I'm just going to season that with some salt. And then next I'm going to season it with some garlic salt. If you don't have garlic salt, you can also use garlic flakes or minced garlic. And then I'm also going to be adding some paprika. So the paprika I'm adding just to give our stew a deepened color. It's not necessarily for any flavor, so it is an optional addition. And then lastly, I've added some beef stock. If you're not a person who likes mixing your stock, you can also add chicken stock at this stage. I just like mixing it up when I'm cooking chicken. I put beef stock, etc, etc. So then I'm just going to allow that to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to be chopping up my vegetables. So in this chopper, I've added a bit of mushrooms and a little bit of onion, and you can see how easy it is to use this chopper. So I'm just chopping the mushrooms and the onions, and then I'm done. So if you guys are not people who love buying gadgets, please buy gadgets and use them. Don't buy gadgets and keep them and not use them. That's when you start thinking it's a waste of money. That was really quick and easy. So basically after 20 minutes, I'm then going to go ahead and add my onion and the mushroom mix into the stew. The mushrooms are optional. I do know some people really don't like mushrooms, but I do love my mushrooms, especially with some chicken. So you can go ahead and add that into your saucepan and then mix it through just so that you can have it evenly distributed in your pan. Then we're just going to allow that to simmer away for about 5 minutes just to get the onions nicely cooked. So now that our onions are cooked, we're just going to mix our meat up in the pot a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables. So this is a stew which depends on you in terms of what vegetables you want to add. Today I'm only going to be adding some carrots and some green beans, but you can also add some potatoes, especially if you're not going to be doing the steamed bread with this. The reason why I didn't add potatoes to this one is because I'm going to be so I've just added the green beans and the carrots, and then I'm going to let that cook for 5 minutes. And then next I'm going to be adding this vegetable curry soup. It's actually not even spicy at all, and the reason why I'm adding this is because this is where I'm going to be getting that nice yellow color. It actually does contain some turmeric, so I didn't add turmeric to our stew because I didn't want it to necessarily infuse that color onto the steamed bread. So I'm just going to add that soup packet in and then mix it up. So if you're only preparing chicken stew, you can stop at this point, let your vegetables cook, and once your vegetables have cooked through properly, you can then just thicken your sauce as you see fit, and then your chicken is ready to go. But if you are going to be continuing with me to make the dumplings, this is the mixture of the dumplings. I will link the recipe for this dumplings in the description box. It's actually the same dumpling recipe that I used to make the dumpling muffins a few weeks ago, so I've used exactly the same. And then you just add it right on top of your chicken mixture, and then we're going to close the lid and allow that to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. It really cooks through fast. You can keep on checking on it. You can see that they expand to really big dumplings, and then you can just check once they're cooked by poking each and every one of them. And if you can poke them and not get any of the soft dough out, that means that your dumplings are done. And this is basically what they're looking like inside the pot, and this is it for this recipe. You can then keep this in like this and serve it nice and hot and warm for your guests. I really love this type of cooking. You can also do this with the beef stew. I'll also link the beef stew recipe down in the description box for you guys. But this is a really nice one pot quick and easy chicken stew and drop-in dumpling recipe. Yeah, and you can also do a quick check on your vegetables to see if your vegetables are nicely and cooked through, and you can see that our carrots are cooked through beautifully. So this is it for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and you're gonna try it out at home and enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell if you are new here, and also don't forget to like and comment on this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.